He's gonna run.
Quite successful on 4 tires.
Confirm a good spike.
For the HLD. Continue number 1 lane, similar carpool lane, 85 miles an hour. Light traffic through line 7. Zone 457.
Main drive copy through Urban Center Drive at 82 miles an hour, the number 1.
Quite successful. 4 tires.
T22 confirm a good spike.
For the HLD.
Copy, take it.
T22, that's affirmed. All 4 tires. They're going through the HLD lane.
T22 copy good spike, all 4 tires.
Go to that's a 5 entertain.
Follow 7 and copy response unit with a brake.
Down with a brake.
T22 with a brake.
Usually through lane 4, continuing 5 south. Even far right lane, about 45 miles an hour. Like that.
Injury copy south lane 4 is right lane 45 miles an hour.
One of the tires just came on.
Injury tire just came off.
That's it. 10 on the purple.
S3 on the purple.
There's a supervisor in there.
55 400, negative.
I got the brake.
Multiple units stepping over each other, Sergeant, just like yourself.
On your left. On your left, M2.
Is there a sergeant in this or I think?
This is for Toro, taking the ramp off, it looks like. 70 miles an hour and light traffic. Taking the right hand of exit.
Main drive copy, setting up exit.
It's like gonna be unit 10 at this. He's going south at Carlota.
Water transfer copy of 97. The account has visual, there's a hit on the vehicle.
Angel, continue south after the temp. Continue south on.
Confirming still on the freeway.
He's on 5th Avenida, Carlota, and Toro. That vehicle stopped at the corner there.
Hands out of the car! On Carlota, no photos, no stop.
Hands up! Out of the car!
Maintain westbound.
Hands out! Hands up! Hands out! Put your hands up! Who's on handcuffs? I got handcuffs. You got handcuffs? I got a rifle. I got a rifle. Step away from the car. Walk towards me. Hey, Sarge, how you doing? This side. How you doing? Good, good. Walk backwards with your hands. All right. Up. Stay behind me. Keep walking back. I got car. When I got car. Walk back. Back.